Good morning, everybody. I'm filming on my phone because I forgot my camera. But me and Vladimir are in the car. I just got done dropping off Raymond and we are on our way to the freeway, which I'm actually quite nervous. I've been on the freeway before since the accident, but I'm just like, I'm spazzing myself out and I'm anxious and I can't live my life in fear. So whatever. So we're gonna go down there on the freeway. I'm gonna get to moving because he's actually quite content back there. I don't know if you guys can see him back there in his little mirror. Yeah, but he's quite content, so I'm going to go now before he starts getting fussy. So let's get on, and good morning. So I'm in this huge line to get gas, hopefully, but Raymond's gas or Costco card was expired earlier this year, and we went with a new membership, but I'm not sure if the card will still work. I'm like 90% sure it's not gonna work, but he wanted me to come check because we were at like not even like a quarter of a tank. So I'm like, I'll go check, but I don't know. I think this is all going to be in vain. But luckily for me, the line is moving much faster than what I thought it was going to be, so I guess it won't be that bad. Guess who's awake and getting a nappy change? Vladimir. He's getting a nappy change. He's changing his nappy. Hi, sweetheart. The gas worked, huh? You've been asleep through this crazy ordeal, haven't you? Yeah. Mommy, the Costco card worked, and now we have gas, and now we're at the mall. Yay! So we're gonna go inside a little bit. I'm gonna nurse him while we're out here while he's calm and stuff. I don't want to get him in his swing or get him in his stroller just for him to start whining again. So we're gonna feed out here. It's a nice and cool day, so we're gonna eat. Then we'll go inside. Yeah. Vladimir's first time in an elevator. We'll see how it goes. Is that weird, sweetheart? Is that weird? I don't think so. You like it, huh? Let's get out of here. Let's go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are we in the elevator again? Do you like that? Do you like that feeling? Whoa. Makes your tummy feel weird, huh? Makes my tummy feel weird. What the? At Red Robin with this little one, he fell asleep at Charlotte Russe while I tried on some clothes and then he woke up. And I'm about to eat a mocha burger. Yeah, you excited, buddy? You're excited. Mommy's excited, that's for sure. Yeah, tell them we have yet to find anything for cousin Killua for his birthday. We have not found anything. This mall is dry.